This is an at-home dumbbell workout for the triceps. We have 3 exercises in the lineup. I'll be talking you through all of them. I'm Pilates instructor Tucker. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. We'll begin without the dumbbells with close grip push-ups, which target the triceps. Begin easy to warm up and then scale up the difficulty. So beginning in a 4-point stance, that means the knees are under the hips, hands under the shoulders, and hands about shoulder width apart. When we go down, keep those elbows in to target the triceps. If we bring the elbows out, more of a push-up targeting the chest. So hands shoulder width apart. Now let's bring them up just about 6 inches. And this will be a nice, easy push-up. So coming down, keeping the elbows in at the side. And press up. Let's go for 10. So we'll inhale down, exhale up. Great. Keep that core tight, stomach flexed. Good. Inhaling down, elbows staying in, chest all the way to the ground, and press up. Good. 6 more. And this will warm us up for the rest of the workout. We're going to do 1 more set after this, and we can ramp up the difficulty if we choose. 2 more. Good. Last one. Great. Now we have 1 more set of these before we move to the dumbbells. Here's how we're going to make this more difficult. First, we can just stay with that same difficulty. And then we'll have a couple different variations here for making it harder. 1, just bring the knees back a little bit. And do that same push-up. So the farther back the knees go, the harder it's going to be. To really bring it up, we'll go into a full push-up position. So starting in the 4-point stance. For the medium difficulty, bring the knees back a little. For full difficulty, let's go all the way up into a push-up position. I want the hands coming down right about at the upper chest. Elbows stay in and up. Good. We're going for 10. Not trying to fully fatigue the muscle here, just warming up. Good. Keep the stomach tight. Elbows in. Inhale on the way down, nice and slow, and exhale up. Good. 5 more. Excellent. 2 more. Great. And let's come on up. We'll get into our first dumbbell exercise. Okay, I have my adjustable dumbbells here. First exercise will be overhead tricep extension, 1 arm at a time, using my 15s method. So we're choosing a weight to do 15 repetitions. And then we do another 15 broken up in sets of 5. No rest in between because we're doing 1 arm at a time. While 1 arm is working, the other one is resting. So here we go. Again, choosing a weight, we can do 15 reps. 15 to 20 is okay as well. Bring the triceps, the dumbbell straight overhead. Slowly lower and extend up. So here goes 15. Inhaling down, exhaling up. Good. Keep that elbow still, keep the shoulder still. Shoulder nice and tight. Keep the core tight. Standing up nice and straight. Feeling strong. There's 5. We're going for at least 10 more. Seven. This non-working hand, we can do whatever we want with it. Let it hang. Hold on to the side. Whatever will help it to rest. Good. 5 more. Nice and slow down, slight pause at the bottom, and up. Good, last one. And switch hands. Now this arm will work. We'll rest while the other one's working. So press the dumbbell straight overhead, slowly lower, inhale, exhale, back up. Good. Same reps on each side. So if I did 17 on one, 17 on the other. And I want to go as far down as I can, get as big of a stretch in the tricep as possible before coming up. Slowing down and flex up. Good. Excellent. Keep breathing, keep the core tight. I want the spine, the entire body nice and stable. The elbows just hinging down slowly, stretching the tricep as much as possible at the bottom, and then flexing up. 5 more. Good, last one. Excellent. Now, 3 sets of 5, no rest in between. This will finish off the 15s method. Four, last one. 5, switch hands. Good, 2 more. Nice and slow down, don't bounce at the bottom. Last one. Great, and switch again. 2 more sets each side. Good, 2 more. Whew. Switch hands. It's getting hard. We're going to finish this. Here we go. One more. Ooh, here we go. All right, last set. Great job. Press the dumbbell overhead. Everything still, slowly down, and flex up. Good, 4 more. Four. Oh, I don't know if I have 5 in me. Nope, that's it, 4. So we're doing 4 on this other side for the last one. Here it is. Good, 2 more. Four. Okay, dumbbell goes down. And we'll move into our last exercise, tricep kickback. I'm going to go a little lighter on the weight. So tricep kickback, a few different ways to do this. Again, we'll be doing 1 arm at a time, 15s method. I want my upper body parallel to the ground. So we can do that unassisted, just bending over. We can do it one hand resting on something, a little bit easier. We can also go all the way down onto a 4-point stance like we started. 1 arm on the ground and the other arm doing the kickback. Boy, my triceps are already tight, already feeling it. This will be the final exercise. And again, 15 method, so set of 15, and then another set of 15 broken up in sets of 5. Here we go. I'm going to start on the right side. I'll be doing this slightly assisted by resting my non-working hand. So nice athletic stance. Keep that core tight, bending over, upper body parallel to the ground. Careful not to swing on this exercise, so dumbbell starts down. Kick back. Slowly down. Exhale up. Good. Exhale. Inhale down. 10. 5 more. 2 more. Good. And switch sides. Five. 10 more. Good. Slowly down, don't swing, flex up. 5 more. Elbow stays in at the side. Elbow's not moving. 2 more. Great. Let's switch back. Now we're doing sets of 5. Going for 3 sets of 5, no rest in between, back and forth. Here it is. 4, 5, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. Good. 3, 4, 5, switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. Last set. 5, good. Last one. Here we go. Everything we got. 3, 4, 5, and we're done. Well, to complete arm day, go to my 10-minute bicep workout. All of my equipment is linked below. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you use those links to make a purchase, I get a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you at the next workout.